Okay, friends, do I look like crap? Yes. You know why? I don't know what I did last night. I woke up with this knot in my back and my whole left arm like hurts if I try to pick anything up.
Mommy, why you put...
It's like, I can feel it though. It's like this big knot in my back. So anyway, that's healed with Jell-O and chocolate sundaes, don't you think? It's about, it's 5 o'clock. I have to go change her diaper and make the pizza dough, and then we're gonna have sundaes before dinner. We're gonna do it before dinner tonight. Okay, we'll have Jell-O. No argument from me. I just don't care today. I don't care. Yep, it's 5 o'clock and I'm giving my kids Jell-O. See, my mom made them in the wheat cups, and you can buy the lids on like welids.com or something. See? There you go. Take the lid off. All right, I will get them off and then you guys can enjoy, okay? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mission accomplished. Back to myself. This knot in my back is killing me. It's like pain. Usually it's just like I feel tight. This is like pain. It's like sitting on some sort of a nerve. So I'm taking it easy today. Planning out my seeds. I have nothing on my lips. I have nothing on my face. Today I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess today. So I'm gonna make myself a chocolate sundae because that's gonna make me feel better. And then I'm gonna make the dough and then I'm going to relax. I will compensate with high fructose corn syrup. I knew they'd have a little leftover, so I gave myself the ice cream. And I knew I'd have leftovers for me, but there's nothing really quite like warm Jell-O. It's delicious. All right, I'm making the dough. Let's talk about some knitting. Wanna go talk about knitting? Let's do that. All right, let's talk about knitting. So we haven't talked about knitting in a little while. Is this a zoom? Nope. What's a little zoom? See? So this is my portage cardigan. I started making this when I think it was like right before I had Sammy. So I was actually working on this in the hospital after I had her. And I cannot pronounce the name of the lady who wrote the pattern. Michelle, I don't know how to say it correctly, so I'm just gonna, here, I'll find it. There it is, right there. Melissa Skashwari, I guess. I'm sorry if I butchered that. Anyway, it's a really pretty cardigan. It has a really big like fold over collar, and that turns into pockets when you turn them back over here. And the back of it is all waffling. So it took me a very long time to waffle because I'm not very good with cabling. I mean, at the end of it you're good but I still think I did the stitch completely wrong. But it's still, I think it looks pretty, but the whole thing hangs askew. So I must have done the waffle wrong somehow. I think I did. I absolutely think I did. So anyway, I'm pretty far along though. And I got to the point where I was binding off the bottom and it called for a tubular bind off. And I was like, oh crap. I have no idea. I use Jenny's Surprisingly Stretchy for everything. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna teach myself how to do this. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I finally came up with all the steps for it. And I was doing it on my swatch last night and I got it. It's not hard. There are 5 steps to it, and if you follow the 5 steps, you're fine. And then at the end, when there's two stitches left, I found out what to do. The lady who did the tutorial, it was Very Pink Knits, and she hadn't told you what to do at the end. So when you have 2 stitches left, she told you then what to do with those. I found it in the comments. And as you can see, like, I'm pretty far along, right? I just need to bind off and then do sleeves, which there's no patterning to the sleeves except decreases. So I just have to do that. And it's raglan, so I already have most of the stitches. And then, you know, I'm gonna have to, I think I dropped a stitch here, so I'm just gonna bind it to something else. And then I just need to pick up to do the collar. And I did that on my knit collage one, so I'm not like scared of it. Though I probably am going to do a very bad job because I'm very bad. I never know which ones to pick up. Like, I don't know which one you pick up. I don't know what you pick up. So, see? I have no idea. So, but I'm gonna try it, right? Because you gotta learn how to do these things by doing it. So I figure I already messed up on this cardigan in the back. You can see it hangs askew. Can you see? It doesn't look that bad though. So if I hold it from the two same points on the side, I can already see that the side's higher. And then when you see it, it just hangs askew. But I do think that I can block the living crap out of it and I can get that into submission. So I'm gonna try it. And then, you know, I really loved this yarn. It's from, it's called Buried Alive by Lamb Strings. It's beautiful. And I love like the bits of green and stuff in it. And so I want to wear it. And even if it's something I wear around the house when I'm cold, like it's still completed. You know, we have to complete our knits. We buy these beautiful yarns and they're expensive. Would you ever take $250, which is kind of what a sweater quantity costs, and put it in a bag and just leave it somewhere? No, right? So why would we do that with yarn that costs that much? I gotta take care of my neck hair later. My fellow Italians know what I'm going through. So anyway, I'm gonna do the tubular bind off and I'm not gonna be scared. And if I need to, I was thinking about maybe putting a lifeline in before I did it. I don't really think I need to though. I'm gonna. And so that's my goal for today, is to get this bound off. That is what I wanna do, and it takes a while. So later I'm just gonna put on Ozark and Real Time with Bill Maher and I'm gonna watch it and bind off. But then tomorrow I want to pick up my sleeves and I want to get this going. I want to get it done. Because I was like ready to start a new sweater. I'm like, why am I going to start a new sweater when I have sweaters sitting here that need attention? Okay. All right, so I'm going to go start that bind off now if I can find a tapestry needle, because I can't find one like anywhere. And it's pizza night, so I have to make the pizza. Okay, and then I want to show you guys like the attic and my room and like a lot of stuff. I have so many thoughts going through my head for things I want to do. I may just keep vlogging, maybe not every day, but like every other day, or like when I have something to show you guys. I don't know. I am not together today. Okay, I'm gonna stop babbling now. Obviously, I am no authority at feeding children. I think it would make really great meals if my kids would ever eat them. I would sit here and make them. I want them to eat well, but they don't. So until they grow into themselves, I try to trick them every week. Now we're gonna have pizza again because it's Friday. I don't consider pizza something super awful. I don't put that much cheese on it. But I make it in different shapes every week. So I said, do you want a circle pizza? Do you want a square pizza? What do you want? And this week we're gonna make pizza with the whoopie pie pan. I don't know if you guys have one of these, but they are shallow. And you put a little ball of dough in there and just press it down and make a little pizza. They look like English muffin pizzas. The kids love them because they're just a different shape. So I make a bunch of whoopie pie pan pizzas. Say that 12 times fast. Whoopie pie pan pizzas, whoopie pie pan pizzas. Okay, that's all cooking. Now let's see. Why are you screaming?
Daddy,
Let's see if there's something I can make to go with it. Because usually, yes, okay, good. Usually I like to make a salad to go with it. So we have some mozzarella and tomato and arugula, and you know that those are my holy trinity. And I like to make salad out of it. So let's do that. There you go, whoopie pie pizzas. What do you think? Okay. They're a little hot, so let's just wait a second, okay?
Can you get one?
I will get one for you when they cool down a bit, okay? All right, Sam, Fran, why don't you guys go sit down and tell me what you want to drink, okay? Do you think they look good, Fran?
Yummy.
What are you doing with that? Okay. What do you want?
Baby doll. Ooh, yummy baby doll.
It's a big baby dough.
Oh, baby.
Who are we talking to?
Mima.
Hi, Mima.
Shepherding is on right now.
Okay. How's your pizza?
Did you put cheese on the crust?
What'd you say?
Did you put cheese on the crust?
I put a little Parmesan cheese.
Because I only eat the crust with cheese on it.
It is cheesy. Eat the whole thing, please. Sammy, you thirsty? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Let's cut it open.
That looks good. What do you think? Is it up to your standards?
We'll see.
Oh gosh.
What have big pizza like you? When the day or the night?
I bet it will get.
Is it good?
Uh-huh. God,
Thank you.
you best maker.
I'm the best maker? Thank you! That's so nice.
Good answer.
Mommy, best maker.
Yay! You like your baby dough?
I want it. It's the best baker in the world.
That's very nice. Thank you.
Best maker mommy.
Thank you. What do you think?
I agree.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Mommy maker.
Thank you.
What did you say now?
I
Hey,
agree.
my work here is done. I'm gonna go take some time for myself while they're noshing. Kind of make a getaway sometimes, yep. Okay, we're going upstairs. Hello. Franny is eating her treat, and Sammy fell asleep on the reading chair in the corner. So I decided to come up into my bedroom because my bedroom is such a shithole and it's really not good. I want to change it into like some really nice oasis, but I really didn't get to myself because we bought the house and I had Franny, and so I wanted the kids' room done, and then I did a guest room. Anyway, as you can see, I have like black walls. They were supposed to be like a dark charcoal. They came out very black. We also bought black furniture, which I don't know what I was thinking, so don't ask. But lately on Instagram, I've noticed that the difference between rich people and regular people is wallpaper. And so I have an idea to wallpaper this room. I don't know if I'm just gonna do the wall with the bed, or if I'm gonna do like the whole thing, which I don't think I'd have the patience for. But I've just been watching all these DIYers and I'm like, I can do it. I'm a really good painter. I'm great at painting rooms. So I'm like thinking maybe I'm gonna do this wall in like a big gray and gold floral, and which floral is not even me, but whatever. And I'm gonna lighten the room. There is a gray from Sherwin-Williams called Knitting Needles. It's in my hallway, and I was like, I think I'm gonna do it in here too, because the black furniture will look nice on that. Anyway, my first rule of business is to excavate this room. I have just, you know, the pandemic, we're all home. I've just been buying stuff on the internet like crazy, and stuff like that didn't even fit so great, like this green dress. But I'm like, I can do something with it. I'm gonna. So I am gonna start cleaning. Because I fold laundry in here and it's just everywhere, and I'm going to clean. We really never used this room. We used it when like Franny was like really little, but then I started sleeping in her room with her and I just never stopped. One of Andy's aunt gave us this, his aunt and uncle, and at first I was like, oh, it's kind of like, you know, in memory of, and we still have Pooper, so I was like, okay, I'll just pull it out when he passes, but I really love it. And I'm trying to find out who did it. I don't know. Emmy Brown 11@gmail.com, and it's called Pet Pieces, pet-pieces.com. And she took it, and it's all made with like washi tape and like bits of like, I don't know, pieces of magazines and stuff. Like, and it is Pooper. I mean, she captured Pooper, and we got this years ago, and now I'm just kind of like coming to appreciate it a lot. And so it sits here. It sits there on our bed. I don't know why, but I just love it, and I have to put it on the wall. Anyway, I'm gonna start excavating this room and really getting stuff out of here, because it's a nice room. It's like 10 by 15. It's one of the biggest in my house. My house does not have very big bedrooms. And it's just full of shit because I just bought myself into oblivion. So it's good shit, but I need to clean it. So let's do that. As good as I can do for the day. I think I did pretty well. I'll do more tomorrow, but it's time to put the kiddos to sleep. So, time to knit. All right, friends, my battery's about to die, so I think that's my cue. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna bind off my portage finally, and I'm gonna watch smutty political commentary on Bill Maher, which I don't always agree with, but I like the banter. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna do more cleaning. I know you're so excited, but we're also gonna plan the tea party. Yeah. So, good night.